Alright, I just installed the 7000 BTU Whirlpool Coolerator. This air conditioner is from 1989. It's got a Matsushita compressor and an Emerson fan motor. So, I got this one last summer. It was filthy. The condenser coil was totally blocked. And when I say totally blocked, I mean it. There was no air going through it at all. It had a very thick sheet of dust on it, so I cleaned it. I put a drain hole in this thing. I replaced the capacitor because the old one wasn't any good anymore. And now it's working just fine. So, let me go ahead and start it up. I'll just go to low. Runs great now, that's for sure. There it is running up there. Outside of it looks exactly the same as the 5000 BTU Kenmore.